Oh, hi guys! This is Marshall Studios Forever here. Marshall Studios Forever is taping you from a live audience today. And also, today I'm just going to be running my 1994's Dirt Devil Plus. My very vintage 1994's Dirt Devil. This vacuum cleaner works fantastic. It's not real louder at all, but it's just kind of noisy. It's not too bad at all because the motor's not that bad and the motor's not that loud at all. And this machine's been in good condition, and this machine has been working for a very long time. And I bought this vacuum cleaner for $1 at the OK Family Thrift Store back in in March of 2023 this year, I believe. I think I bought this back in March or maybe April. I think it was in April because I bought it back in April. It works fantastic. And for first of all, instead of me talking, I will just run the video, okay? Wow. Well, this machine is real loud, and I found some other attachments I can put on the Dirt Devil. Is this this dusting tool right here? Wanted to keep it right over here. And first of all, this machine is kind of loud and it's pretty noisy. It's not too bad at all. Well, it's not so bad at all, you guys. First of all, a lot of people were saying these machines are aware loud or if they could be extremely loud. No, it's not true, but I remember some younger kids with autism can be afraid of a vacuum cleaner. I used to be afraid of them when I was little. I used to be afraid of the vintage vacuum cleaners, but they were so loud when I was younger. For first of all, I used to be afraid of the Hoover Power Max Self-Repel Supreme Upright Vacuum Cleaner, what my grandma used to have. She had that vacuum cleaner throughout the 1993 until by the year of 2005. For first of all, that thing was real heavy, it was too loud, and my grandma can't stand it very well at the time. And the Dirt Devil right here, my red Dirt Devil vacuum cleaner right there, I remember during my times growing up with the Dirt Devil Plus, I did see one of those vacuum cleaners over at the elementary school back when I was a kid. It was pretty loud, just like a dryer in the bathroom. And first of all, I remember this Dirt Devil Plus is kind of loud. Yeah, there were some people with autism. They can be offended. Be offensive by older vacuums, and you know they can. I remember that. For first of all, I used to be afraid of shop vacs. I used to be afraid of vintage ones. Because they were real loud and it actually did hurt my ears a bit. It used to be, but I used to be afraid of vacuum cleaners running them on the floor, but I used to be afraid of it, but not anymore because I'm kind of over it. I'm over it being afraid of everything. I'm over it. And for first of all, this vacuum cleaner was powerful. This machine has a whole bunch of suction. Tons and tons of suction it has. And for first of all, you know what, guys? Click thumbs up, hit subscribe, and click down below what you like to see. And there's a lot of other things I'm going to be doing today. And I'll see you in the next video tonight, okay?